Here is how you can stop your iPad from rotating. So let me explain it, and if you're new here, subscribe and you'll never miss anything important. So it's actually very simple. You just have to swipe down from the top right corner of the display like this to access the control center. And this contains plenty of toggles and buttons, but the one that you should be paying attention to is this rotation lock. So if it's not like white, I'm talking about this one right there. So if it's not selected like this one, you can see it's kind of like see-through. It means it's not active. And now the iPad would rotate if I would physically rotate it. But you can click on it as such, and the rotation lock is turned on, meaning that it's locked in place and you can turn your iPad around as much as you want. It's only going to stay in this orientation. So that's how you can stop the iPad from rotating. One potential problem that could appear in here is that you don't really see the button, in which case just click the plus button at the top and click on add a control at the bottom, and make sure that you add it from the selection there, because you should be able to add it in here in case you don't have it available. But apparently it should be fixed into the place there, so I believe that you should have the ability to have it. But yeah, if you don't, you can always bring it back. So let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Let me know if it worked for you, or if you found the video helpful. You can also hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you in the future videos.